Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into your Reddit account online on your computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Reddit account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address reddit.com and hit on enter, and then you'll be directed the home page of Reddit like this over here guys. Now in order to log into your Reddit account from over here, at the top right corner of the screen you can see there is a login button available for us. Click on that login button and then you'll be directed, or this kind of pop-up box will open where you'll be required to enter your username or your email address or your password to log into your Reddit account. But also guys, you will be able to log into your Reddit account with your Google or your Apple account from over here. If you click on either of these buttons, a login panel to your Google or Apple will open, and if you log into your respective accounts guys, you'll be signed into your Reddit with your Google or your Apple account. And with that being said guys, let's enter the email address and the password with which you had signed up for a Reddit account. And guys, after entering your email address or username or your password, if you have forgotten your password, you can always reset it from over here where it says the forgot password. If you click on that button, you'll be taken to a procedure where you will be able to reset your Reddit account's password. And after entering your email address guys and your password, simply click on the login button over here, signed into your Reddit account online on your computer. And guys, this is how to log into your Reddit account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.